Hello everyone, welcome to Pratha. This is Kavita Kuparkar. This is video number 24 of our Bengal Fest. We are now towards the last one-third videos of our collection, and we've shown beautiful Tassar Jamdanis in the previous 4 or 5 videos that we showed. Before that we showed Baha Chumki, we showed Khadi linens, cottons, we also showed beautiful muslin Jamdani saris, a very pretty collection indeed. And now here we are with an entirely new first time collection from the region of Bengal. Now these are very soft kota saris with checks woven along and this beautiful Jamdani butta. So these are kota Jamdanis, cotton saris, okay. Kota is basically fabric which has checkered weaving pattern. So it has this beautiful white or lighter colored checkered weaving, and this is the very light, dainty, intricate, very delicate Jamdani pallu. All these saris come along with blouse pieces, starting with this first light aqua blue color. This is it. Most of the saris in this collection are pastels. We only have a few darker colors. So yes, this is it. This is the pallu. Let me tell you all the price of these saris. It is 11,000. Let's move to the next one now. These, I just saw this collection and it reminded me of my mom, because she used to wear a lot of Kolkata cottons, kota saris. In her, she was a college professor, so in her college days she used to wear these kind of saris. She used to starch them at home and make them ready for every week. So it is very nostalgic for me to see these kind of Kolkata cottons and kota saris. It's very and I'm sure, like me, many of you have seen your mothers wearing cottons and Kolkata saris. So yes, this is the next one, a beautiful lime green, yellowish green color, very pretty. And this is the pallu. Let's move to the next one. Now this is a beautiful beetroot color, as I would call it, a nice beetroot shade. This is how it looks, a very pretty one. Again, it has this lighter whitish colored checkered weave all along. And this is the pallu. These saris might look a little stiff when I'm actually wearing them, but once you open and fold them a few times, they'll get softer. They also get draped very nicely. Right now they have a bit of starch in them. Now this is the next one. It's a deeper mustard yellow, very pretty color. This is how it looks, very classy, very beautiful. So yes, this is it. Let's move to the next one. The next is a light peach, traditional aboli color as we call it in Marathi. This is how it looks. So a lot of you have also put in our comments and urging me to talk and speak in Marathi, and it is a deliberate attempt from my side to make this entire video series in English, because we want these saris of Bengal to reach not only Maharashtrians, but we want to reach out of Maharashtra through the country. We also want to reach globally. We want to attract audience from all over India and abroad towards this beautiful creations from Bengal. So hence not restricting myself to Marathi language and Marathi viewers. So yes, I'm sure all the Maharashtrians will encourage this move and intent of ours. So yes, this is it. This is the next one, a nice fresh peach color. And let's move to the last sari of this video. The last one is a very beautiful Firozi blue, a nice fresh vibrant color, beautiful color. This is how it looks. So for these saris, you will have to wear a matching sari petticoat or sari underskirt. You will have to wear a matching blouse, because since they are transparent, you want that color to stand out, right? If you wear a white blouse inside this, it will always diffuse this color and make it look something lighter. But if you want to enhance the color of the sari, it's recommended that you wear the same colored blouse and the same colored underskirt along. So yes, this is it, a very pretty Firozi blue. So yes, this is the end of this particular video. We have many more videos lined up. We have many videos that we've already done. If you've missed out on any of our videos right from video number 1 till now, make sure you go back to your Facebook, Instagram and YouTube and view all these videos. If you also don't have that much time, then you can just go to our website directly. Go to the collection called Bengal Fest 2026. You'll get to see the entire collection. All the 300 odd sarees that we've posted will be available on the website. All the inventory is updated and uploaded on the website. The process to order is very easy. All these sarees are in stock with us, ready to be dispatched. So we are super eager to see your response. Thank you. Keep watching.